Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today, we're going to talk about IT operations management, or ITOM, and why it's becoming increasingly critical for organizations that rely on technology to deliver their services. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore the challenges of traditional IT operations, the costs of downtime, and the difference between reactive firefighting and proactive management, and finally, how ITOM provides a strategic advantage. Let's start with why ITOM matters right now. Every minute of downtime costs an organization money, but it's not just about dollars. Downtime damages reputation, erodes customer trust, and can push clients straight into the hands of competitors. Fragmented systems add fuel to the fire. When monitoring tools don't talk to each other, IT teams end up with blind spots, delayed fixes, and mounting costs. And too often, IT resources are consumed by reactive firefighting, chasing alerts, patching issues, and scrambling to restore services, instead of focusing on innovation and transformation. This is exactly where ITOM comes in. Here's the reality. During an outage, revenue takes a direct hit. Customers can't access your services, transactions stop, and in some industries like finance, retail, or healthcare, even a few minutes of downtime can be catastrophic. This visual shows how quickly revenue falls away once systems go offline. It's a clear reminder that the cost of inaction or slow action compounds every second, which leads us to the critical question: how do we stop firefighting and start proactively preventing these incidents? Think of IT management in two modes. Reactive management is like running around with a fire extinguisher, constantly putting out flames after they've started. It's stressful, inefficient, and it leaves organizations vulnerable. Proactive management, on the other hand, is about fire prevention, detecting sparks before they ignite, and building systems that are resilient, monitored, and automated. ITOM enables this shift. Instead of drowning in alerts from multiple disconnected tools, IT teams gain visibility and control through a unified, intelligent platform. So, what exactly is ITOM? IT operations management is the practice of monitoring, managing, and optimizing the IT environment across infrastructure, applications, services, and networks. The key is the concept of a single pane of glass view. Rather than flipping between tools like SCOM, Splunk, or SolarWinds, that's if your organization only has three monitoring tools in place, as in most larger organizations, there's usually more. ITOM consolidates these into one central monitoring hub. This isn't just about convenience, it's about correlation. A single issue can trigger dozens of alerts across different systems. ITOM reduces the noise, identifies the root cause, and prioritizes fixes that matter most to the business. One example of this in action is PMC Helix Operations Management. Think of it as a manager of managers. It ingests signals from your existing monitoring tools like SCOM, Splunk, SolarWinds, and many more, and applies AI-driven analytics to correlate and prioritize events. This way, instead of hundreds of scattered alerts, IT teams can see one clear story of what's happening, what's impacted, and how to fix it. The result? Faster root cause analysis, fewer false positives, and a smoother user experience. With this consolidated view, IT leaders can make informed decisions quickly. They no longer need to guess which system is failing or who should respond. The system highlights the root issue, assigns the right priority, and even recommends remediation steps. This means fewer outages, reduced mean time to resolution, and happier customers. But ITOM isn't just about fixing problems, it's about driving measurable business outcomes. So, what are those outcomes? First and foremost, reduce downtime. By predicting and preventing issues, ITOM directly protects revenue and customer trust. Second, operational efficiency. IT teams spend less time firefighting and more time working on value-add initiatives like cloud adoption, automation, and innovation. Third, ITOM provides a foundation for digital transformation. When IT is reliable, resilient, and proactive, organizations can confidently scale, experiment, and deliver new services faster. In short, ITOM turns IT from a cost center into a value driver, keeping your business always on, secure, and efficient. You can also think of ITOM as a form of strategic insurance. Just as businesses insure their assets against fire or theft, ITOM insures against operational disruption. The difference is, instead of paying out after the damage is done, ITOM prevents the damage from happening in the first place. It safeguards revenue streams, preserves reputation, and strengthens competitive advantage. The question is, does your organization have the visibility, automation, and foresight to keep your business always on? So, what's next? For organizations struggling with fragmented tools and reactive firefighting, the path forward is clear. Consolidate visibility, embrace proactive IT management, and adopt an ITOM solution that delivers a single source of truth. Whether it's through BMC Helix or another ITOM platform, the value is the same. Reduced downtime, lower costs, and a stronger foundation for innovation. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more or explore how ITOM can help your organization move from firefighting to foresight, please reach out. Let's make IT a driver of resilience, not risk. Oh, by the way, I also have a short video demo on ITOM in action using BMC Helix. Please click on the link provided on screen. See you there.